Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on TikTok. To know how to fix or how to solve not responding on TikTok app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of TikTok and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us, like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.